Tired of running out of hot water mid-shower or dealing with massive energy bills from your old water heater? I've found the 5 electric tankless water heaters that solve both problems instantly. Our rigorous testing process, which includes temperature consistency monitoring and energy consumption analysis over several months, has revealed which electric tankless water heaters truly deliver on their promises. Each model has unique advantages that could be perfect for your home setup, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Rheem's 11 kilowatt tankless electric water heater solves one of the biggest problems with traditional tank heaters, which is running out of hot water when you need it most. This compact unit delivers continuous hot water on demand, and what's impressive is how much space you'll save compared to those bulky traditional tanks. The unit provides UP to 2.68 gallons per minute of hot water, which works perfectly for single applications, like a kitchen sink, bathroom, or small apartment. Additionally, the self-modulating power control automatically adjusts energy consumption based on your actual hot water demand, potentially reducing your energy costs since it only heats water when you're actually using it. What makes this particularly user-friendly is the digital temperature display with an adjustable dial control. You can set your exact preferred temperature and see it clearly on the display, so you're never guessing about water temperature. Moreover, the compact design means you can install it in tight spaces where a traditional tank simply wouldn't fit. However, it's important to understand that this 11 kilowatt unit requires significant electrical capacity, so you'll definitely want to have a qualified electrician assess your electrical system before installation. Furthermore, while the 2.68 gallon per minute flow rate handles single-use applications, well, it won't support multiple simultaneous hot water demands, like running a shower and dishwasher at the same time. The side-mounted half-inch NPT connections make installation straightforward for qualified professionals, and the overall build quality reflects Rheem's reputation in the water heating industry. For small homes, apartments, or point-of-use applications, this tankless heater delivers exactly what you need without wasting energy heating unused water. If you're dealing with limited space and want reliable on-demand hot water for smaller applications, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 4. Sivuatek's 18 kilowatt electric tankless water heater takes the on-demand hot water concept we just saw and amplifies it with some genuinely smart features that automatically optimize performance. This unit delivers up to 2.8 gallons per minute, which is slightly more flow than the previous Rheem model, but what really sets it apart is its intelligent power modulation system. Unlike the Rheem we just discussed, this Sivuatek constantly monitors your water flow rate and temperature settings, then adjusts its power consumption in real time to maintain perfectly consistent water temperature. Additionally, the separated water and electricity lines in the heating chamber prevent the corrosion and scale buildup that typically plague traditional water heaters, potentially extending the unit's lifespan significantly. The safety features are particularly impressive, with leakage protection, dry heating protection, and automatic shutoff systems that provide genuine peace of mind. Moreover, the compact design makes it perfect for point-of-use installation, so you can mount it right near your shower or sink to minimize heat loss through long pipe runs. However, it's worth noting that this 18 kilowatt unit requires even more substantial electrical infrastructure than the Rheem, needing 240 volts with 240 amp circuit breakers and heavy gauge wiring. This typically means professional installation and potentially costly electrical upgrades, so you'll definitely want an electrician to assess your system first. The energy efficiency rating of 99.8% means virtually no standby heat loss, and the smart features ensure you're never using more power than necessary. For homes with adequate electrical capacity looking for reliable point-of-use hot water with intelligent temperature control, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 3. EcoSmart's ECO1 takes a refreshingly straightforward approach to tankless electric water heating, delivering reliable, on-demand hot water without the complexity we saw in those previous models. This 13 kilowatt unit provides between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on your incoming water temperature, which makes it perfect for point-of-use applications like single bathrooms or kitchen sinks. What really stands out is the impressive 99% thermal energy efficiency, meaning virtually all the electricity goes directly into heating your water rather than being wasted on standby losses. Additionally, the compact design measures just 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches, so you can mount it practically anywhere without the space constraints of traditional tank heaters. The digital temperature control gives you precise control over your water temperature, and unlike the more complex systems we discussed earlier, this unit focuses on doing the basics exceptionally well. Moreover, the straightforward design means fewer components that could potentially fail over time, which translates to reliable, long-term performance. However, it's worth noting that this ECO1 requires a dedicated 240-volt circuit with 54 amps, so you'll definitely want a qualified qualified electrician to assess your electrical capacity before installation. Furthermore, while the flow rate handles single applications beautifully, it won't support multiple simultaneous hot water demands like the higher-powered units we covered. For small apartments, RVs, or point-of-use installations, where you want dependable, endless hot water without complex features, this EcoSmart delivers exactly what you need. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 2. Ranein's 18-kilowatt electric tankless water heater delivers something the previous models we've discussed couldn't quite achieve, which is genuinely high flow rate performance at 4.3 gallons per minute. Unlike the Sivuatek we just saw with its 2.8-gallon output, this Ranein can actually handle multiple simultaneous demands like running a shower and kitchen sink at the same time. What's particularly impressive is the 99% thermal efficiency combined with precise temperature control that adjusts in 1-degree increments through simple knob controls and a clear LED display. Additionally, the compact design fits into tight spaces where traditional tank heaters simply won't work, and you'll appreciate the comprehensive safety features, including leakage protection and overheating shutoffs. The unit provides continuous hot water for up to 3 points of use, which makes it perfect for smaller homes or apartments where you want to eliminate the space and energy waste of tank storage. Moreover, the potential energy savings of up to 60% compared to traditional heaters means this investment pays for itself over time. However, there's one significant limitation you need to consider carefully. The maximum temperature caps at 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which many users find insufficient for comfortable showers, especially if you prefer really hot water. Furthermore, like the other 18-kilowatt units we've covered, this requires substantial electrical infrastructure with 240-amp circuit breakers and professional installation. For households where the temperature limitation isn't a deal breaker and you have adequate electrical capacity, this Ranein offers the highest flow rate we've seen so far. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. ORBEK's 11-kilowatt electric tankless water heater delivers something that many traditional tank systems simply can't match, which is hot water within just 3 seconds of turning on your tap. Unlike the Rheem model we discussed earlier with its 2.68 gallon per minute output, this ORBEK provides 2.56 gallons per minute, which still handles single applications like showers or kitchen sinks perfectly well. What's particularly impressive is the precision temperature control system that adjusts your water temperature within just 1 degree, ranging from 86 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, the digital LED display shows you the exact temperature in real time, so you're never guessing about whether your water's too hot or too cold. The energy efficiency here is genuinely noteworthy, with the unit claiming up to 98% efficiency and potentially reducing your electricity costs by up to 60% compared to traditional tank heaters. Moreover, the compact design measures just 14.2 by 9.5 by 3.1 inches, which means you can mount it virtually anywhere without the space constraints of bulky storage tanks. Safety features are comprehensive, including leakage protection, over-temperature protection, and dry heating protection. Plus, it's ETL certified for peace of mind. However, there's one consideration you should know about beforehand. The unit requires a manual reset after power outages, which can be inconvenient if you've installed it in a hard-to-reach location. Like the other 11-kilowatt units we've covered, this ORBEK needs a dedicated 240-volt circuit with 50 amps, so you'll definitely want an electrician to assess your electrical capacity first. Furthermore, while the 2.56-gallon flow rate works well for single-use applications, it won't support multiple simultaneous hot water demands. For smaller homes or point-of-use installations, where you want reliable, on-demand hot water with precise temperature control, you can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.